Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most useful, beautiful and trendy wooden rack designs, wooden shelf designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts, light colors, dark colors, wooden ideas you can see in this my video. Stylish shelf designs, stylish rack ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas. See beautiful rack ideas, beautiful shelves. Those who love such type of ideas, those who love such type of wooden work, save your objects in very useful, beautiful and trendy wooden shelves, wooden racks. If you want to buy this very beautiful rack and shelf designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see. You can visit my channel and see more collection about wood, about decoration, about furniture, wooden ideas you can see in this my channel. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is beautiful, every design is trendy one another. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my wooden collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy wooden work, wooden rack designs, wooden shelf designs, beautiful ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.